เดี๋ยวย้อนใช่
Welcome to the cave of the evil sorceress, Mysaria. No doubt you seek Mysaria's prized possession, the magical ruby known as the Sultan's Heart. You see, whoever possesses the Sultan's Heart controls its amazing magical powers. Hark! Someone approaches. So sit back and enjoy the 8th Voyage of Sinbad.
This place could be filled with traps, demons, and trouble. But if we play our cards right, this just may turn out to be our best voyage. But don't forget, this is home of the evil sorceress, Mysaria.
Boo! Who's afraid of her?
Really? Come on.
Yeah, really. After 7 voyages, 3 dragons, 2 sirens, twins I might add, and even Kronos himself, and not a scratch. Mysaria! We'd send that in, come on, take it!
No, buddy, I was just... Come on. Oh, no. Not again. There you are. I'm coming to get you. Come on! Scream if you can hear me! There you are, you just took off!
Now that was Fast and Furious, coming summer 2018.
Take a look, I found your treasure. Woo-hoo-hoo! Bring it down here.
Okay.
Oh, and come on.
Yes.
Be careful.
You know me, Sinbad. I am always Careful. That was scarier than a United flight.
Take a look around, Kebab. We're gonna be rich as kings.
I know. That is, if we can get out of this cave alive. I think this place is... How do we know this place is cursed?
Well, we are in the cave known as the Grotto of Lost Souls. Shish Kebab.
Hey, Sinbad, look. Check out the size of this pearl. I'm paying like a wrecking ball. Hey, what's this? Sinbad, look! It's my hand! This place is cursed, buddy! I'm stuck! Come on!
That's not working.
That's not working.
Here we go.
No! Put it away!
All right.
Try the first one again.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Sinbad, I have 2 left hands! I'm just playing with you. Just joking, get out of this cabin. Hey, I have a feeling we're not alone here. Sure.
Hello? Is someone there? Please help me.
Who are you?
I'm Princess Amora.
The Sultan's daughter!
Yes, and I'm being held prisoner by that witch in this area.
Mysaria, well, this has been fun. Lovely to meet you, Sinbad. Buddy, let's go.
Come on. We have to save the princess.
You don't have to be a hero all the time.
Yes, I do.
Hey, we should save the treasure!
Hey, we should find the princess.
Give me one good reason why.
All right, here.
Woohoo! Now that's my kind of reason. All right, boss, what do we do?
There's nothing you can do.
Rubber chicken.
Only the Sultan's heart has the power to free me.
The Sultan's heart.
The magic
It's just a legend.
It's more than a ruby, and it's no legend. Look around.
I'm looking around. That's all I see.
Come on. Yes, you sit here. I'll go get it.
Buddy, no, I'm gonna get this one.
All right.
On second thought, I'll just go over here and collect all the small stuff. Hey, cool small stuff. Sit back and look. It's your ex-girlfriend still hanging around. I'm okay.
That's all right, princess. I'll get the Sultan's heart and set you free.
Sinbad, please be careful.
No problem. Meant to do that.
Do what?
Nothing at all. This is easy. Whoa, that was even closer, but still easy.
It doesn't sound easy.
You know, Laura, being a hero is all about having courage.
Is it now?
Finally, I made it.
Hurry, Sinbad!
Right, the Sultan's heart, it is real. Your Highness, where did it go?
Sinbad?
Laura.
What's happening to me?
What fools these mortals be! Lady Gaga!
No, Naziria.
Surprise! Boo! Typical. You give a girl a big rock, and bam, she turns into a witch.
Silence! My sweet, sweet Sultan. It's so good to be here.
Come on, back to the book.
Good idea!
Bad idea.
Sinbad, a little boat! Near, far, where...
Come on, the sword.
Sword! Hey, it's a 300 sword! This is Sparta!
Come on, give me the sword, buddy.
Right, you're the hero.
All right, you cougar.
Cougar?
Where's the princess?
Sinbad, you flirt.
Ah,
What a good idea! I got this.
All right. Let's leave if you need any help.
Go on, Fiddler.
Whoa! Take that! I'm impressed. Now let's go.
Silly boy, the only way out of here is through hell. Meet your tour guide.
Which way?
Oh,
Oh, not this way. Let's have stay here until it's safe.
so Matt, do you need any help?
I got this. Sure.
So Matt, are you sure?
Oh yeah, behind you.